How to use Grok Voice. So basically what happened, Grok just yesterday released its voice mod for free for everyone. Before that it was only available for Super Grok, which is $30 per month. Now it's free for everyone. So yeah, just super easy. Open Grok app, make sure to update it so you have access, and then you just you see all these modes, and then just tap a mode to activate voice. Hi there.
Hey, good to hear from you. How can I assist you today?
Basically a voice mode as it is. There are like 11 modes as you can see here, so there are 11 different modes which you can try. Some of them are quite funky and they're going viral on TikTok everywhere. So yeah, that's how you get access. And then yeah, you can just start using it. You can mute it, you can put it on speaker, and you can change voice as well, male or female. So that's what it is.